welcome back to another Artistic Vegan Show. I'm very happy to be with you today. We are celebrating my sweet, loving husband's birthday, and we're having company over, and he requested a pie for his birthday. So we'll be making a mixed berry pie, and if you're lucky, we may even make a cherry pie, but I don't want him to know. So stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get the filling going. So it's the same process for each variety. You can use your favorite fruit. First thing I'm going to do is get my filling ready. That way it can have a chance to cool. A couple cups of the blackberries, a couple cups of the raspberries, and then about a half cup to a cup of the blueberries. So you got a good mixture of berries. 4.5 to 5 cups of berries, so you have your favorite kind there. And then you just want to heat them up really quickly. So I'm going to combine them with about a half cup of sweetener. Now if you want to keep this sugar-free, you could use that monk fruit, or you could also use dates. So then you add about a half cup, I'm using agave syrup. This is optional, but if you want, you can add a couple tablespoons of a vegan butter or coconut oil. I'm going to use coconut oil. I'm going to use some tapioca starch and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. I'm probably going to shoot for 3 so it's nice and thick. And I'm just going to mix that once I get some berry juice and mix it together and then pour that slurry in. So let's go to the stove. This is a book that my husband put together, so I thought it'd be great to pull from it for his birthday. And I have a pie crust that's from my mom. It's my mom's pie crust, and it's the best pie crust ever. For the pie crust, you want some flour, salt, and coconut oil, as well as ice cold water, and that's everything that you need. And you can either crisscross the dough and then slowly add the water until it comes together, or you can just use a food processor, which is what I'm going to do today for ease. And then you want to sprinkle your counter, roll it out, and then put the dough down in your pie pan, fill it with your filling, put the other pie crust on top, or you could do any kind of special top that you want, like a lattice or whatever you'd like. You just crimp the edges, cut a little hole in top if you just put the whole thing on top, and then you can bake it at about 375 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes or up to an hour until it's set, and then you want to let it cool for at least a good hour so that you can slice into it and you can serve it with banana and ice cream. And that's it. And I hope you love this recipe. You can get it over at artisticvegan.com. Happy birthday to you, Gerald. I want to wish you a very happy birthday, many prosperous, abundant, healthy, joyful years in the future, and I hope I am alongside you, each one of them. I love you so much, and thanks for being the best husband and soulmate and supporter, and Artistic Vegan wouldn't be here without you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like these pie recipes, and you can get them over at artisticvegan.com, and I'll see you guys next time.